Hi, my name is Falak Kuda and I'm going to present in front of you my assignment 2 for the subject social data mining. The assignment 2 focuses on building up a web application wherein we are supposed to build it up with the motive of fetching the real-time data from it. So my application name is OneTap Socializing. This assignment is to be done and is to be submitted to Professor Rick Lamproff. The requirements for the assignments are as follows. It is supposed to build an application using either Python or C#, whatever you or we as a student are familiar with or comfortable with, to connect the Twitter and Reddit to the application using access tokens and API. It also says to avoid the duplications of the data which we have been fetching from the applications, say either Twitter or Reddit. It is supposed to collect a minimum of 100 entries and store it in the database. For the database purpose, I have used MongoDB as my database server. To give you a brief idea about how a social media application works, it is basically to be downloaded, or it can be stored on the phone or tablet, or it can also be browsed through the internet. The social media applications have a lot of features which we can function through, which involves messaging, photo sharing, and sharing of interactive content, may it be audio, video, whatever we may include. There are multiple categories in which the applications fall into. The diagram which has been shown over here, it shows a brief description of how the web application works, wherein we are supposed to do the analysis, which is supposed to be on the needs of the user. Say, for example, I am building a web application for my college, so it should be focusing more on my tuition fees, or it should be more on the students' attractiveness, and then you develop an app for the same, and then you have to test it, you have to deploy it, and then you have to store that into a database. So this is how the functioning of a web application usually takes place. For the technologies which I have been using for building my web application is HTML, MongoDB, Python, Flask, Reddit, and Twitter are my two two applications which I have been performing my data functioning on. And for Twitter I have been using TweetPy, and for Reddit I have been using Procode. A quick look onto the homepage. The homepage has on the top left corner, it has my application name. On the right hand corner, it has two buttons, which are one is the Twitter and one is the Reddit button. When you clicked on each, it directs you to a different homepage. I would be explaining through the live demonstration, which I would be carrying on soon after I complete with this page. A quick walkthrough to the homepage and separate web pages. It's just for the theoretical purpose. The homepage consists of the basic subtitles and the app for the applications used. So it basically has my work email, my phone number, and my Twitter ID. It has two buttons which redirects you to different windows whenever clicked on each. And amongst the two buttons, one is for the Twitter, whose button, if clicked, shall give you the option to tweet, and the other button is for the Reddit, which gives you an opportunity to post something on the Reddit application. The data shall be stored in the database which is created on the MongoDB. I would be giving you code snippets for the import of the packages. So I have been importing TweetPy for Twitter, for Reddit, Flask, and PyMongo client is basically for the PyMongo, and Mongo client is basically for the MongoDB user. the code snippet in regards to the Twitter page, so the page which we just built, and I'm just gonna go through a quick walkthrough. Over here I have been having the TweetPy auth handler and the access tokens, the secret access tokens involved in it. So whenever I just type in a message, it directs me back to my, it gets posted basically on my Twitter handle. And I'm just gonna give you a quick walkthrough through that. So this is where that's my main Python file, and this is my social media application. As I said, this is my One Tap Socializing is my application name. Posting real-time data on Twitter and Reddit. This is my Twitter handle, and Reddit post over here, and that's just for information purposes. It's my number, and this contact email actually doesn't work, but it's just to give you an idea. When clicked on Twitter, we just have to type in something, say social data mining. Since I have already been writing something like this, I'll just write social data mining 2 and then tweet it. So what happens is that if I go on Google and write Twitter, okay, and go to my profile, it shows me that I have just posted social data mining 2. So it actually gives you an idea about it. I would quickly go through the data collection which I have been doing over here. So the real-time data is basically my MongoDB database, and in which I have a collection named real-time social media, which is basically for the Twitter ID which I have been created. And I would just refresh this to show you that I just got my tweet onto it and it's not duplicating. So say this is Falakuda and it comes down. Where did that go? Okay, just give me 1 minute. So these are the posts I have been trying on during making my web application, and as you see, none of the IDs they just repeat themselves. Never, they are never repeated. So I would just go on a quick look wherein I can just see say social data mining, and there's other page as well. So it already has 200 entries onto it, so I am not really sure that whether it's gonna show me or not, but I guess it should. And let's just try it this way. So how about I go over here and I refresh it again, and then of many these things, what is it? Okay, so as far as I know, I think that since we've exceeded the Twitter limit of storing the data, I might not be able to store more data on it, since the MongoDB just allows me 200 to go on. So what I have been doing is, since I have it works, I'm pretty sure about it. I can show you the Twitter account wherein the same as, and these are not duplicated. All the entries have been this thing. Okay, so since to view the additional research, I need to use a shell cluster which is paid, so I cannot use that right now, but it has 200 entries, and since the 100 was minimum and I did not have 100 Twitter entries on my account, what I did was I took the Prime Minister of India's this thing, PMO India, and I took his data and showed it into my system. The real-time Reddit, that also works. So what I'm gonna do is I can show the ladder on this one. I can just go to Reddit. Say for my example, my title comes down to Introduction to Groom Members, and I say HHH, and I post it. So what happens is I'm again going to go to my real-time Reddit, and I'm going to refresh this, and it is going to show me who are you, who are you, who are you, and introduction to group members. There we go. It shows you the text of HHH. So this collection does not have like 100 entries, so that is why it just shows me. The same happens with the Twitter as well. For the MongoDB client, these are the things which have been cleared now, and I'm just gonna go quickly through the Twitter page. I have been through the Reddit page, and the URI which I have been creating for the MongoDB client. So it redirects me my database over there and fetches the data without any duplications. There were no duplicates found. So as you see over here, there are 7 entries, and these 7 entries have not been repeated, and the object ID for every one is a different one. So the duplication means that if in case I try to avoid that, so I'm just gonna go through the code, and I'm just gonna show that I have been using the if function to avoid the duplication. So it's just one simple function which helps me to not duplicate my functions again. The duplications have not been found. Same is the case with Twitter, and these are the real-time database is my MongoDB database, and the Reddit is real-time Reddit is for the collection which I just showed, and the social media is the same thing. A look into the collection which I have been going through. So basically now the collection of Reddit has like 7 of them, and that of the Twitter has like 200 of them. So it has more than that, but I cannot show you because I have exhausted my limit. And this would be a quick demonstration to the video link which I would be posting after I complete with my presentation, and that should be it. Thank you so much. I hope you liked it.